In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear sway bar link in a Jeep Cherokee, which is located under the vehicle. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely, wheels off the ground. You want to take these 19mm lug bolts off. These are not lug nuts, they are a bolt. You just want to put this one back in so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take all the rest of them off. Just hold your wheel, take that last one out. After you've located your bottom nut, you can take a 15mm wrench, slide it over the nut, 5mm Allen, put it onto the key, loosen while holding that Allen until the nut comes off. Take your nut off. This is your top nut that's connected to the sway bar. You cannot get a 5mm Allen in here to hold it while you take the nut off. So you can take a pair of pliers here, lock it down so it doesn't spin. Take your 15mm wrench and loosen your nut. And there's your old sway bar link. Take your new sway bar link, slide it down into this lower control arm, through the hole on your sway bar, put your nut on. Like I said with the old one, you can't get a 5mm Allen in here to hold it, so you can use some pliers to hold it from the back side. Just be careful you don't rip your boot. Give that a snug. Now you come down to your lower nut, which goes through this arm. You can lift up a little bit and push your stud through. Put your 15mm nut on. 15mm wrench while holding the stud. Snug that up. And you want to torque these at 41 foot-pounds. And do the same for the top. And your reinstall. Line up your holes. Put your lug bolt in. You want to do this by hand so you don't cross thread. And snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done in your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.